Why I love the Navy Federal Credit Union. The Navy Federal Credit Union offers me the ability to give financial support for its soldiers and its civilians, as well as their family. They are easy to talk to, available 7 days a week, and are internet friendly. We can trust them because their focus is to help its customers and not just for profit. It offers great options when I need to make a purchase, such as a car or home investment. I like how it offers its youth the ability to gain financial knowledge by allowing them to have these experiences using debit and credit cards. This way, the parent can help teach how they manage money. In this difficult economy, it gives me a feeling of security that I can rely on when an unforeseen need for money arises. They do their part to support the country by helping the soldiers and the family. Thanks, Navy Fed.